Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Hope you all are doing great. Today I want to go through my analysis for the upcoming week, and I'll be talking about Gbpjpy, Gbpusd, Eurusd, and gold. So to start off, we'll be going through the British pound, Japanese yen, and we'll be going through the weekly time frame down to the 4-hour time frame. So now on the weekly time frame, we can see that price is in this uptrend on the weekly chart. Price bounced off this resistance and support level and came all the way down to support here and trend line, then bounced up, forming this spin bar. And now price is at this resistance and trend line here, as you will see on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can see that price has started forming this double top, which is what we were looking for last week. We had two possibilities last week, which is either the formation of an inverse head and shoulder upon the break of this resistance level and trend line, or the formation of a double top. So this trend line and resistance level didn't break, rather price bounced off it. Immediately price bounced off it, forming this nice daily candle over there. We're able to enter into our trade, and we'll see how we took the trade in on the 4-hour time frame. But looking at this daily time frame, we can see that price is making this double top M-shaped pattern, and we're expecting price to get all the way to this support level over here. Price could possibly break it as well, but this support level would be our target. Okay, so going to the 4-hour time frame, so this is what we're looking for. We're looking for a break below this red zone here, which was a support level. So price broke it, came back to retest it, and that's when we took our entry. We're about 45 pips up now. So if you're not in this trade, I would suggest that you wait, because two things can happen. Okay, so you'll be waiting for price to get down to this level here. If you're a swing trader, waiting for price to get here and see how price reacts to this area. Okay, when price gets to this area, it could be a bounce to the upside, or there could be a break of this level back down to the trend line. All right, so that's what we'll be looking at. This area here will be a very key area for us to see how price reacts. But on the other hand, as with Forex, anything can happen. There's a possibility that price could start reversing from here and not go down any further. And in that case, if price starts reversing and going back to the top, you'll be looking to take your entry if there's a break of this resistance level over here, and you wait for a retest and you'll be able to take your trade to the upside. So this trade is for swing traders. I would suggest that you wait and see how price reacts. A further move to the downside, then you look to take your entry from here. And if price starts reversing back to the upside, you wait for a break of this level. If this level doesn't break and price again gives us some sort of bearish signal here at this resistance level, then you should be looking to take the trade to the downside. Okay, and so this area here around the 153.3 level. Okay, and the around this area, the 151.3 level, okay, is where we'll be looking to take our trading opportunities. So either when price gets here or when price gets to this area. So this is my analysis for Gbpjpy. Next, I'll be looking at Gbpusd. Okay, and again, we'll be going through the weekly time frame, right? So as you can see on the weekly time frame, in the past, price came down to retest this support level and trend line, forming this nice pin bar and going all the way up. Like I said last week, these three candles, 1, 2, and 3, that's this bearish candle, this pin bar, and this bullish candle is what we call the morning star, which is a bearish reversal pattern. So what price has done now is just to make a slight retracement, and price did that up to a certain level and quickly bounced off, as you can see by this long wick over there. If we go to the daily time frame, before this happened, I was actually expecting price to get to this level over here. That's why I was expecting my retracement, but unfortunately price didn't get there. There's still a possibility that price could still go down to test that level, but from what I'm seeing on the daily time frame, an engulfing candle has been formed and price may most likely continue to the top. All right, so when that happens, so price continuing to the top. So the question now is, where do we take our entry if you're not already in this trade? Okay, with this I would go to a smaller time frame, but before that, we can use our Fibonacci to see at what level price actually bounced off. Okay, so you can see that price was approaching the 50% level before it quickly bounced up. Now, to look for a proper entry, if you're not already in this trade, we'll go to a 4-hour time frame to look for good levels that we can capitalize on. I hope you're able to capitalize on the trade, because I was when price got to this level, because that's what I was expecting. And immediately price got down there, I was able to take my entry and capitalized on this 90p bearish move. So right now, there are two things that can happen. One, you can draw your trend line here. Okay, so we draw our trend line to the downside. Okay, so what we'll be expecting is a move or a break back above this trend line and resistance level. Okay, so if this happens, waiting for a retest, and we're looking to take our trades to the upside, and possibly if price breaks this blue zone here, then we'll continue to take our buy trade up. So what this means is that price has just formed like a double bottom and gone to the upside. So a break of this trend line, as well as this support resistance level, this red zone, will be what we'll be looking to capitalize on. All right, and if that doesn't happen and price gives us a bearish reversal pattern around this trend line and resistance level, then we'll be looking to take price all the way down to this support level over here. Okay, so again, with Gbpusd, this area is our area of interest. Okay, that is around the 1.389 level is our area of interest, where we'll be looking to see price reactions, because price has tested this multiple times, came down here, broke it, tested again, came down and tested it, rejected off it, and now price is heading back to that level. So if price is able to reject off this level again, then we'll be looking to take our sell opportunities to the downside. But if price manages to break this level after testing it 2 times, then we'll be looking to take our buy opportunity to the upside. Okay, so that is my analysis for Gbpusd for the upcoming week. We should be looking to capitalize on this area over here. Next trade we'll be looking at is Eurusd, and again to the weekly time frame. So what I was looking at Eurusd on the weekly time frame last week was a break of this level over here to the downside, all the way to this point over here, to the green zone down here. This is what I was expecting, and but it never happened. When price got to this blue zone over here, price rejected straight up, and there's a possibility that price has just gone up here to retest this level, and price could still come all the way down. So we have to be very careful. All right, because we're just still at the support level over here. Now, one thing I want you to look at is if we change this candlestick to lines, we can see clearly the that we are comfortably at support. Okay, and at this support level, price is seems to be forming this double bottom again. All right. So this area is a big area for us because price could still make it to the downside, and again it could still bounce up. So we have to see how the next daily candle forms, and that would inform our entry. Now, on the daily time frame, we can see that price is currently at the trend line here and also resistance. So there's a possibility that price could still, bounce back down all the way to this level over here, completing our double top pattern before making an up move to the upside, or price could just still continue to the top. Now let's change it back to candlestick so we can also see. You can see that price formed this strong bullish candle on the daily time frame, and price is currently at the trend line here and also at support. So the next daily candle to form, or the next couple of daily candles, extremely important for us, because if the next daily candle forms strongly and closes above this level, then we'll be looking to continue our trade to the upside. Okay, but if the next daily candle closes bearish and or strongly bearish, then we'll be looking to continue our trades to the downside. I wouldn't rush to take any trade to the downside or to the upside. I always wait for confirmation and take my trades on the 4-hour time frame. Now, the way I'm going to do that is for the 4-hour time frame, I wouldn't be taking any sell trades until this blue zone here has been broken. So if this blue level here doesn't break to the downside, then I'm not taking any sell opportunities. Okay, the reason being, price could just retrace here before making a move to the upside, or price could retrace all the way back down to this level, then retrace to the upside. So these levels are still very strong areas that price could bounce up and continue to the upside, or price could just continue all the way to the upside. So the next candle formation is extremely important, and we have to be patient enough to wait for it to form. So like I said, for Euro USD, I'm waiting for the next daily candle to form. So I wouldn't be trading Euro USD on a Monday. I'm going to wait for the Monday candle to form to see what sort of candle will be formed on the daily time frame. Even if it's a very strong bullish candle and goes several pips up, I'm still going to wait and look for opportunities to capitalize on, but I'm not going to be rushing to take a Euro USD trade. So that's my analysis for Euro USD. I don't have a very strong bias yet, but if anything, it's more bullish. But I'm still willing to wait and see how the Monday candle closes. So our final analysis today, we'll be looking at gold. Gold is a very interesting one, and it's given us a very, very, very good opportunity to capitalize on. And if you're not already on a gold entry, this is your time to enter, your time to make more than 1,000 pips in this move. Now, what has happened with gold? We can see that price making this upward trend line. Price tried to break below the trend line as well as this support level over here, came down strongly, tested this support level and quickly rejected off. And you can see how the daily candle, the weekly candle closed. It closed with this lovely pin by here. Now, this is a very, very strong bullish signal. Okay, this candlestick is a very strong bullish signal, and the fact that it happened on a weekly time frame makes it even stronger. And the fact that it closed above a trend line and support level as well makes our move for a bullish move a very, very strong possibility or probability. Now, if you look at this on a line chart, you can see clearly what I'm talking about. The price has come down to this support level, came back and come back down to the support level and trend line. And so we can see the price is about to form this double bottom and go all the way to this level over here. Okay, so this is what we'll be looking at. This is over 1,000 pips move, and I hope you're able to capitalize on it. Will there be some retracements? Yes, price is always going to retrace, but retracement is only our chance to enter the market, and we'll just be looking for only bullish opportunities. If we take this to the daily time frame, and let me change it back to candlestick. Yeah, so you can see that price rejected off this level. I came back to close above the trend line as well as this support level over here, or above the resistance, now support. So what can happen? Okay, two things can happen. Price could make a retracement down here before continuing to the upside. Okay, that's one. Another thing that can happen is that price could just continue straight up without making any retracement, because this is a very strong bullish daily candle. Go up, break this level over here, possibly retest it as well, make a small retest and continue straight to the top. Okay, and the third thing that can happen is price just going straight up, without stopping. All right, so this is what we'll be looking at, only bullish opportunities in gold. To capitalize on opportunities, we can go to the 4-hour time frame, and this is where we can be taking our or looking to take our trades. If there is a retracement down here, we should be looking to take our buy opportunities from here. If there is no retracement and you're not yet in this trade, you can wait for price to get to this level, break it, wait for a retest, and enter at this level over here. Okay, and if you're still not able to capitalize on that, you can also wait for price to get to this blue zone here and price to break above it, retest, and you can take your trades to the top. On the other hand, if you're already in this gold trade, that's very good for you. You can just move your stop to just below this level here. Once price gets to this area and breaks above it and retest, you can enter more positions here, then move your stops. When price breaks above this level as well, you can enter more positions and move your stops further and take price all the way to this level. Like I said, we're targeting more than 1,000 pips move on this trade. So I hope that you're able to capitalize on it in the next couple of weeks. And if you haven't made profit in trading, this will be a very, very good opportunity for you. All right, so this is my my analysis for these 4 major pairs. I am bullish on gold and well, somewhat bullish on Eurusd, but I'm just waiting for price to break a certain area. Same thing with the Gbpusd and Gbpjpy. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, if this video is very helpful, please leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more weekly analysis, and I would see you in my next video. Peace.